Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mochamad Farhan Ardi Maulana. Now I will show you how to use Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere Pro is software for editing videos. The first thing you should pay attention to when opening the Premiere Welcome page from here is that you can open a previous project and create a new project. Click the new project to create a new project. If you are a beginner, I suggest you do not change everything here except the name and the location. The location is where your location will be saved, and the name is the name for your project. I will change it to basic edit. Click OK. Now we will create a new sequence. At Premiere Pro, there are many presets for each camera that is located. My camera Canon DSLR, so my preset is in the digital HRR video. My image is 1080p and 30 frames per second. If you don't know which one you want to open your video on the VLC media player, go to Tools, then Codec Information. See resolution. My resolution is 1080. Back to Premiere and type it. Your frame rate is in VLC. Your frame rate is in VLC media player. My frame rate is 30. Back to Premiere and change your frame rate. Finally, change pixel aspect ratio to pixel square. And now click OK. If you use CS5, work your spacebar will look like this. Don't worry, this is the same as the position difference. This is called the timeline on the basic for editing your video. Everything you do in the timeline will happen here. This is called the program. Here you will see your video. This is called the project here, where your video and your music will be displayed after you import. On the project, there is a source. The source is where you see the video you see. So on the basis of the program, show your video from the timeline, and the source show your video from the project. Okay, import your video to start editing. To import your video, go to File and Import. I will import 3 record and 1 song. If you double click your video on the editing program, it will appear in the source. Here you will cut your video, look for video where you want it to start and click mark it. And then search where your video is finished and click mark out. Then drag your video to the timeline. This rectangle is your video. You can zoom in by dragging this. This vertical line shows where you are in this video. You can move this by dragging it or pressing the left and right buttons. Press space, play the video. Drag the edge of the screen if you want to make the video long or short. Now I will add another video to the timeline. Do it like the previous way. Try to see the video now. Now I will add music. Drag the music file and drag it to the timeline. Now, if we play the video, there will be music. Okay, now export this video. First, look for where you want the video to be finished. I want the video to finish here, then right click and go to mark out. The basic video in this area will export to file, export media. If you are still a beginner, just follow me. Click on the output name and choose where you want to export your video. Change the format to H.264 and last click the export. Okay, thanks. So many expression about how to use Adobe Premiere from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.